Hello, financial fans. Can you say up? Up day. It's an up day on Wall Street, and so I won't be buying anything today. Yesterday was a down day, and I bought one stock. I bought Dow. DOW is the symbol, and I paid for it. Let's see, $53.17 per share, and prior to that, I bought Citigroup on 12.15. That's symbol C, and I paid $60.34 per share for that. And things are going about the way the market has been going for the past couple of years, a high beta market where the market swings wildly one way then in the other direction. And if you buy on the days it's down, you'll be getting some bargains, and if you sell on the days it's up, you'll be making some money. At the end of this video, I'll put down all the different stocks I own. I have about 70 different stocks and ETFs combined in my portfolio, so I'll just list their symbols. And other than that, happy holidays, and the end of the year is coming, and crazy up and down prices on different stocks probably will ensue, and the president's making a speech which should add to the wild swings that go on in a year like this. At some point the market will start to recover, the economy will recover. People will go for a day or 2 days or a week without mentioning COVID. Things like that will be happening in the future. It's just a matter of time, don't know when. And till then, buy when the market's down. And I'm a person who believes in holding stocks for a long time. That's why I like dividend stocks. They pay some money now and then. And happy holiday season to you, and I will speak with you again very soon. I thank you very much for watching.